watching the preparation. But remember, this home remedy helps to support natural energy, and at the same time it supports stamina and endurance, and it will help you to maintain energy levels. Remember, the same drink supports physical performance. So I'm requesting you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to give a like to this video, to invite your friends to this YouTube channel, and of course take this home remedy 30 minutes before the activity. You'll thank me later. And don't forget that this video is for educational purpose only and is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any diseases. Okay, so take it 30 minutes before the activity. You will thank me later.